Hello class 9. Now we are going to discuss the programming question number 10 of chapter 7. Now what is question number 10? A clothes showroom has announced festival discounts and the gifts on the purchase of items based on the total cost as given below. So showroom has announced the festival discounts and giving the gifts also based on the total cost as given below. Now, if the total cost is up to rupees 2000, then the showroom gives the discount of 5% and a gift as calculator. Giving a gift as a calculator. If the total cost of purchase is within 2001 to rupees 5000, then the showroom gives a discount of 10% and a gift of school bag. If the total cost is from rupees 5001 to rupees 10,000, then the showroom gives a discount of 15% on the total cost and a gift wall clock. And if the total cost is above rupees 10,000, the total cost is above rupees 10,000, then discount is given 20% and wristwatch. Alright. Now write a program to input this total cost and compute and display the amount to be paid by the customer along with the gift. So this amount to be paid will be total cost minus discount. Amount to be paid will be total cost minus discount. The first we have to input the total cost. Now let us do importing the util package for the scanner method, public class discount, or we can write amount to be paid or amount also, public static void main method, a scanner in equal to new scanner system.in, system out println enter total cost, enter the total cost, in tc for total cost, tc I have taken, in dot next in, so I have entered the total cost. Double amount, this amount is amount to be paid after discount. So this amount will be total cost TC minus discount. String gift, we have taken a variable gift as what type? String type, because we are going to assign the gift like calculator, school bag, wall clock and wristwatch on this gift. Alright. Now according to question, first if the total cost is up to rupees 2000. So if TC total cost is less than equal to 2000, then amount will be TC, that is the total cost, minus TC into 5 by 100. So this is the 5%. This part second after the minus sign, this part calculates the discount of 5%. And this discount is subtracted from the total cost. So this will be the amount to be paid to the showroom. Okay. What is a gift? Gift is calculator. Discount is 5%. Amount to be paid is this much, and this gift is calculator. Second, else if the total cost is from rupees 2001 to rupees 5000. So else if total cost is greater than or equal to 2001 and total cost is less than or equal to 5000, then amount to be paid will be total cost minus total cost into 10 by 100, which calculates the 10% of discount and subtracted from the total cost. So this will be the amount to be paid if the total cost is in the range of rupees 2001 to rupees 5000. And gift is assigned school bag. What is gift here? See, second gift is a school bag. So gift equal to school bag. Now third, if the total cost is from rupees 5001 to rupees 10,000. So else if total cost is greater than or equal to 5001 and TC less than or equal to 10,000, then AMT amount equal to TC means total cost minus total cost into 15 by 100 means 15% discount. So this 15% discount we subtract from the total cost. So this will be amount to be paid. And what is a gift? Gift is wall clock. Okay. Else, if the amount is above to 10,000, then else amount equal to TC means total cost minus total cost into 20 by 100 means 20% of discount. So total cost minus 20% discount. And gift equal to wristwatch. What is a gift? Wristwatch. Okay. So we have done all the calculation according to the given table. Now print the amount to be paid and print the gift. Now let us compile this program and check the output. Class name discount. Okay, this is our program. We have entered a total cost. So nothing to do, just compile. Same program only. Compile. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. Okay. Enter the total cost. Suppose 6,789. The amount to be paid after deduction of the discount 5,771 and gift is wall clock. Okay. Now again enter total cost. Suppose 2,134. The amount to be paid 1,921 and gift is school bag. Alright. So this was the discount program. Now let us discuss question number 11. What is question number 11? Given below is a hypothetical table showing the rate of income tax for an Indian citizen who is up to the age of 60 years. So what is the age of the citizen? Indian citizen up to 60 years. Because after 60 years is retirement. Taxable income TI in rupees. Income tax in rupees. So if the taxable income is up to rupees 2,50,000, then income tax is nil. Means nothing, zero. If the taxable income is more than rupees 2,50,000 and less than or equal to rupees 5 lakh, then taxable income, the income tax is taxable income minus 1,60,000, 10%. 10% of okay. Alright. Next one, if the taxable income is more than rupees 5 lakh and less than or equal to rupees 10 lakh, then income tax is taxable income minus 5 lakh, so 10% plus 34,000. And if the yearly income is more than 10 lakhs, then taxable income minus 10 lakhs 30% and plus 94,000. Write a program to input the name, age and taxable income of a person, and if the age is more than 60 years, then display the message wrong category. And if the age is less than or equal to 60 years, then compute and display the income tax payable along with the name of the taxpayer as per the table given below. Now see the program. Import java.util public class income tax scanner. System out println enter name. The string n equal to in dot next line method we are inputting name. So next line method is used. System out println enter age. The int a equal to in dot next int. System out println enter taxable income. Double ti for taxable income equal to in dot next double. We have taken double type. Double tax equal to 0.0. Tax is the double type initialized by 0.0. Now question is saying if the age is more than 60 years, then display the message wrong category. So first check that. If A for age greater than 60, then it will print system out println wrong category. And if the age is not above 60, then according to this table we have to check and calculate. The else means if the age is not greater than 60, then else part will execute if TI taxable income less than equal to 2,50,000, then tax is given here what? Nil. So tax equal to 0. Else if TI taxable income more than 2,50,000 and taxable income less than equal to 5 lakh, then tax equal to 10% of taxable income minus 1,60,000. Else if taxable income is above 5 lakh and less than equal to 10 lakh, then 20% of taxable income minus 5 lakh and plus 34,000. Else, the last case, if the income is more than 10 lakh, then else will execute and calculates 30% of taxable income minus 10 lakh and plus 94,000 fixed amount. Okay, now print the name and print the tax, payable tax. Alright, now let us see this program and get the output. Income tax. Program is already typed. Public class income tax. You can see here. Same program. Just compile. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. OK. Enter name. Suppose name is Robert. Enter age. Suppose age is 45. Enter taxable income. Suppose 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5,67,898. Then name Robert, taxable income 47,579. Now again check income tax, void main, OK. Give the amount more than 10 lakh. Okay, given the amount more than 10 lakh, 12 lakh 34,567. Oh, sorry, it was name. So this was wrong. Again check income tax, void main, give the name Ram Prakash. Enter the age, suppose 54. Enter taxable income, fill any amount, and tax payable is 18,566. So check the program. So today's class we have done two programs, question number 9, question number 10 and 11. Write both the program and practice. Both the programs should be in your computer copy. Thank you.